Two friends were walking in the middle of the desert. At some point during their journey, they got into a big argument, and one of them slapped the other in the face. The one who was slapped felt extreme pain and sadness, but without saying a word, he wrote on the sand, "Today, my close friend slapped me in the face." Afterward, they continued on their journey until they reached a beautiful oasis. They decided to swim in the oasis lake, but the young man who had been slapped earlier got stuck in a mud swamp and started to drown. His friend rushed to him and saved him. At that moment, the young man who had almost drowned wrote the following sentence on a large rock. "Today, my close friend saved my life." Here, the friend who slapped him and saved him asked him, "After I hurt you, you wrote on the sand, and now you write on the rock. Why is that?" The young man answered, "When someone hurts us, we have to write their offense on the sand so that the winds of forgetfulness can erase it. But when someone does us a favor, we must engrave it on the rock so that we never forget it." The moral of this short story: be forgiving, and do not forget those who have done you a favor. Do not value what you have in terms of possessions, but value the people around you.